If your ANNKE DVR N44PI or N48PI security system is locked after multiple wrong password attempts, don't panic. In this video, I will show you how to reset your ANNKE DVR using secure code or serial number. First of all, click here to show secure code screen. Now check this serial number or secure code. Remember this serial number. We use it to generate super password using CCTV Super Password app. You can download it from Play Store. Open the app and click Hikvision. On next screen, select Reset with Serial Number. Now enter the serial number. Remember, write correct serial number and click Create Super Password. In a minute, super password is generated. Now go to your DVR screen and enter this super password. And click OK. It will show new screen with Create New Password option. Enter your new password and confirm it, and click OK. Congratulations, your ANNKE DVR reset successfully.